Hi, it's Mick from Custom Cruisers in England, okay? You do need to wear this shit. It might be a pain in the ass, but fucking wear it. Be safe, okay? You can see here we got everything you need for your bike while you're on this lockdown thing, okay? So if you do need parts, everyone's struggling like we are, okay? We would appreciate the business, but do be safe and do wear gloves, okay? Can't stress that enough. I was in the forces in the 80s, and believe me, this shit's fucking terrible. This is SARS, basically. It's a disease the Russians had, or supposedly the Chinese, but designed to kill people. It's not the flu, okay? Be serious, guys. Take precautions. Even if you nip out down the, down the shops, you might feel a twat, but it will save your life. Okay, Mick from CustomCruisers.com or the new site CustomCruisers.eu. We are trying to get that done. Press to shop way better than the old site. I do apologise.